Hey friends, I wanted to pop in for a quick update because today is actually a pretty good day and I'm taking full advantage of it. I've been spending some time creating, organizing, and finally getting a few things finished that have been sitting in that almost done stage for a little while. There's something so satisfying about seeing everything start to come together, especially when you've had to take it slow. Lately, I've really been leaning into working at my own pace, and honestly, it's making the process so much more enjoyable. So I wanted to share a little peek at what I worked on because I'm really excited about how it turned out. The kit is called Vineyard, and it's already up and running in my Etsy shop, letsjunkjournal.etsy.com. I love all the rich plum and deep purples in this design, and don't get me started on the fireflies and peacocks. I hope you like it too. Bye for now.